We're on Shabbat Perek Vav Mishnah Zayin. Very short Mishnah that's a continuation of the last Mishnah. In the last Mishnah, we learned that Madiyot, women from Madai, profot. Profot, we learned, was to take a rock, okay, and use it to connect. You would stick it in as an anchor, and you would use it to connect the two sides of her cloak together. Lost my string. And then they would tie it around. So our Mishnah is a continuation of that. What items can a woman use in order to do this prifa, in order to do this chibur on Shabbat? Mishnah says, "Perevet ala even," a woman can use a stone, v'al egoz, or a nut, v'al matbeya. Or she can even use a coin. They would have, I guess, maybe that's how they would use coins or whatever. Anything you can use, you would stick the coin in, okay, and and then you would take the other side again, and you would tie around it, and then it would connect it. Okay, and you could use any of these things. Ubilvad shelo tifrof lechatchila b'Shabbat. As long as she doesn't make that wrap lechatchila, meaning if the thing was already wrapped. Let's look at the Bartenura for a second. Ubilvad shelo tifrof lechatchila, she shouldn't wrap. Amatbeya lechudeka, it's only the matbeya. Shelo tifrof lechatchila amatbeya, maybe esha asur letaltelo. Lechatchila, she can't take a coin if she has lying around and then wrap her cloak up, and that's how she would do it before on Shabbat. If she had it wrapped and then she took it off like this, and then she wanted to put it back on, then the coin was already connected. It was already batel. It was already batel to the cloak. But lechatchila, she couldn't do it on Shabbat. Whereas the stone, she could, because one assumed the stone or the nut, these things, even though a stone is normally muksa, but she probably had stones that she used, rocks that she specifically kept. So they were miyuchan, and therefore you can't say the rock is muksa, because she definitely designated it for the purpose of tying her clothes together and keeping them on Shabbat, so then it wouldn't be muksa. The only thing that's really muksa lechatchila is the matbeya. Everything else, she could, and once it's in the clothing, she could then continue to use it. Very short, we'll stop here. We'll dedicate the learning to the memory of my father, Rav Simcha ben Yitzchak Kalman. Here's my email address. Have a good day.